As the Lagos State Waste Management Authority continues its mission to provide a professional, efficient, and sustainable waste management and disposal service to the generality of Lagosians, corporate bodies throughout the state, we take a deeper look at some of the initiatives put in place by LOMA and the process of execution used by the organization to achieve its stated mission.
Often at times, I've had many people talking about refuse, waste, trash, and all sorts. People are referring to the same materials in different forms. Waste, refuse, and trash. Talking about discarded materials, materials that you don't want, that somebody must pick somewhere. This common language we use, household level, industry, construction areas, and hospitals. Wherever you go, wherever you see, you have waste everywhere. Now, what is waste in essence? Waste can be referred to as discarded material. Has a relevance to time and place. But one thing is clear: waste is not only supposed to be. What is waste to someone else may be a resource for another person. This is Lagos Waste Management Authority. We manage waste around here. Somebody's train out somewhere, and somebody's ready to pick up. This is all the essence of
This recycling plant, this nylon recycling plant, started in December 2010. It was actually initiated from the kind of waste that we generate in our waste stream. We find out that there are a lot of non-biodegradable materials in our waste stream, and we cannot afford to continue to landfill such materials. And also, particularly the pure water sachet, it was becoming a problem in Lagos State. And you just find people disposing of it indiscriminately, not even knowing the value or what it can be used for.
For example, the pure water sachet that you saw out there, you can collect this pure water sachet. To some is a problem, to some is a resource. To us in Lagos State, it's no more problem, it's a resource. So you can recycle this plastic, create jobs while you are doing it, save energy, and then make sure that you turn it into inbound.
In terms of the pure water, let me say, apart from the challenges that it poses, this government has worked to ensure also that we can convert it to other uses. So those who are throwing away pure water sachets are actually throwing away money.
First, let's hear about resource recovery or buyback program currently going on at centers around Lagos State.
The buyback program started with this nylon recycling plant. We have jingles on radio, on TV for the public to let them know that these sachets, they are not just waste, they can actually be turned into wealth.
Rédíò láti gbọ́ pé kọ́ máa ṣá, kọ́ máa gbé wá kọ́ ọ̀nà kọ́ máa tẹ̀kẹ̀ sí ẹ̀ wọ́n bá gbé sórí stéèdì wọ́n bá wí ẹ̀ wọ́n máa fún wa lówó bàbá ti mú wọ́n ń ṣá pẹ̀lú ọ̀wọ́n tajọ́ ń gbélé wọ́n ń ṣá sínú àpò yẹn pọ̀ gan tẹ́lẹ̀ àpò ńlá gan la fi máa ń jù bàbá gbé sóòrùn báyìí ó kàn mú wọn dànù sí ilẹ̀ ẹlẹ̀ ìgbà tẹ́ bá rí pé èmi á kọjá ní ẹyin lẹ́mọ̀ wàhálà tẹ́yìn ṣe màá kó gbogbo láìlọ̀ máa lọ rù ú dànù lónìí mi ìdẹ̀jẹ́ ká gbé lọ síbi tán ti ní ká ṣá wá ìdí tẹ̀mí fi bá gbé tí mo fi mú wá nìyẹn.
Not only does the state buy back the waste generated, there's also a mechanism in place to turn that waste into useful products for the benefit of Lagosians as a whole, while creating jobs at the same time.
LOMA has put value on the pure water sachet. We buy it from the public at 30 naira per kilogram, provided it is clean and moisture free. And then once you bring it down here, we weigh it on the scale, and once it is weighed, you are paid your cash immediately. And the pure water nylon is now stored here in our nylon recycling plant. We buy from different members of the public as they come. Then after storage, it is taken into the plant for further processing.
Recycling is a tool for sustainability, environmental sustainability. Now, talking about the preservation tool. Recycling is one key area. Resource, especially resources that are perishable, that are not renewable. When you extract them, you cannot replace them back. That's an unsustainable manner, sustainable way of living. We're talking about resources that you can use and come back to source and manage a cycle. That is talking about paper, talking about plastics, talking about organic material. Those are materials you can use and turn back into further usage. That is all about recycling.
The processing of the nylon starts from the washing, because most of the nylons that are brought here are not 100% clean. They still have a little bit of dirt in them. So what we do is we have a washer in the recycling plant. The materials are put into the washer and it is washed.
We've been doing this all for 20 years, but it's okay, we got locked down. Now you say you go no why. Frustration for the don't go to road to relay all the while. How long must we prove we're not praising us? To make you smile, take so much to run back, not lie.
Drying takes place after washing in a regular drying machine to remove all water trace and any impurity that may be left in the sachet. After a thorough spin, the shredded dry nylon is put into the inlet for the process of pelletization to start.
The pelletizers accept dried nylon, and then it has an inlet and an outlet too. So once it's spread into the inlet, it goes through melting at a high temperature and pressure, and also it has water in it to serve as a coolant before it gets to the output end. Collected at the output, and when it is collected there, it is now ready for the extrusion proper. The extrusion machine is such also that works under high temperature, because what it does is once it has an inlet to and an outlet. Once you feed the pelletized materials into the extruder, it melts it. We put a little bit of master badge in it to determine the kind of color you actually want to achieve. At the extrusion process, you can achieve whatever color of nylon you intend to. So once the pelletized material is mixed with the master badge, it's an automated process. It just flows through the blower. The blower brings out the melted nylon, blows it out, and then cools down gradually, goes on the roller, and then it's ready for collection.
Our greatest assets in Lagos can be regarded as waste, turning what used to be a headache into an asset. That is sustainable waste management.
The nylon that is made here, once it is rolled out, is now cut into different shapes. You could cut them actually into poly bags that are used in the marketplace. You could cut them into trash bags. But what we do mainly here is that we do trash bags. We do trash bags for the black one for the collection of waste from homes around Lagos. And then we also have the colored ones. We have the red one, the yellow and the brown. Those are the nylons that are used for medical waste.
And the message of Loma is not lost on the students in and around the state who are contributing their own quota to recycling by converting the materials around them. Let's hear from students who even went as far as composing a rap song about the importance of recycling.
The different materials we can use for recycling are paper, plastic, glass, aluminium, textiles, timber, and like clothing materials. I'm holding a picture frame. It is made out of wood, paint, and they use an old recharge card that are cut into pieces to make this design.
Okay. Mr. Barcelona, please come down and show me what you got. Come on the dance floor and on the floor. Come down and dance on the floor. Dance on the floor. Dance on the floor.
Body man know me. That being reckless not for me. If I raise the economy, yesterday I saw a girl walking in the street. Drove like that pow, 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 pow. And a boom, 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 boom. I said, what is just happening? She said she likes recycling. Come down with that paper and plastic in your hand.
Okay, green economy. The habit came over me. I've been dumping records for free. That's the real thing about me. The environment is clean. There's a difference with your brain. In the environment, clean the new thing. Don't even start your keys. Gases will admit the powers in your fist. Not only a blessing, it's a trusting. That's the next thing. Recycling is the best thing.
Reuse, recycle.
Waste management in Lagos is has actually transformed to something new. I'm glad you all saw it. We can all relate to it. We all live in Lagos. We can see it happening. That waste management in Lagos is not business as usual. We've moved from one stage to the other. Definitely, recycling is the next level. It's the next way to go, it's the next thing to do. Without recycling, you have no city. Without recycling, we have no life. Without recycling, you cannot even sustain the city livelihood. It's obvious it's the next line of action. Recycling can earn you money. You cannot complain of joblessness again. Once you can see waste around you, the next thing to do, recycle and earn money. Lagos is prepared to take you to the next level. Lagos is prepared to create jobs from recycling. We have that commitment. Our service charter is in that direction, to create more jobs and to eradicate poverty through waste management. Waste management is putting the line of recycling. Welcome you on board.
Remember,